So Uzma, we are talking about how we inspire ourselves, and you shared a little thing about you. So could you share it with us again?
Actually,
What happens when something bad happens?
when the bad happens, I can't control myself, and I schemed, and I cut off myself from the other gatherings or stay lonely,
Uh-huh.
and I can express myself, my feelings to others.
So would
That's
that
what was my problem. This is what I want to
fix?
fix.
Okay. So if I can have a little bit of advice to that. So if you have a problem like this and when something bad happens and you want to get away from it, it's okay, because you need to like gather your thoughts. It's okay. And that's like cooling down the heat. It's okay. Then you need to be looking at what did really happen objectively, not like what your point of view is, that you start to feel sorry about yourself and you're getting yourself more into pain. But the entire point is that you gather yourself, look at the things, what did really happen objectively, what are you missing, what are your needs, what happened there. Look at the things as an outsider. Once you can do that, gather yourself, see that you deserve it, go back to the person when things cool down, say, I need an appointment with you, can we sit down and talk whenever you're free? And then you calmly state how you felt, how that situation made you feel. So once you can say that, the other person realizes what the other person did. So that's about learning about your triggers, what are the triggering situations, standing up for yourself. It's okay to remove yourself for 5 minutes, gather yourself, then walk back with full confidence and talk it out. Discuss it on a normal, proper, calm tone of voice. So it's all okay. So let's see how you can do this. Thank you.
Thank you.